Wilson, that's about as poor guitar practice I've ever heard you do. He swore he'd never let me down. Y'all need to go back to the video library and find out about Wilson. He's an entity that occupies my left hand. It gives me unhuman powers to pick in the style of Blueberry Perkins. What is that, Luke? What did you say, Wilson? Huh? Oh, you will? Well, he said he'd like to try and make up for what he done right there. So, y'all think we ought to give him another chance? He looks like he's feeling right bad about it. Okay, we'll give it to him. Very well done, Wilson. When they free me from this prison line, railroad train is mine. I bet I could fit on the little pop down the line. Off goes to prison, that's where I want to stay. I'll be in Folsom Prison until I die.